guys are having a good day out there? Oh man, I love that atomic teal. That's what this color is called. From Tiny Bot. Kick it, kick it. Through the neighborhood. Clear for takeoff. Box rear view dash cam to screen. Anyways, that thing's like the best thing I bought for this car so far, driver wise anyways. Makes daily driving a lot easier. That ECU tag Z1 tune coming. It's a little bit of a pull. Nah, I'm just barely pressed on it. It's just so loud. It is honestly so loud. I love it. I freaking love it. I got that dual 3-inch titanium blast pipes back there. It's gonna sound crazy with the new exhaust. It's gonna sound crazy. And we got the slow focus. It's alright, we're just cruising. Cruising to work. Yep. Yep, it's an automatic, but it's my daily driver and I love it. I drive this thing all over the place. And when I'm sitting in traffic, the automatic, it's nice, really. This thing, I love it. Plus, you can put it in manual mode here. It doesn't have a clutch, but it's still a lot of fun. This thing, she'll swing her loose. Try that LZ stickers. Somebody's skirting out over there. I don't know what that was. Adjust the camera. Definitely helps with this car. Your eco diesel? Get your eco diesel going? All the slow people today. I need to be in this lane eventually too. Everybody's kind of crazy. Everybody's kind of crazy around here. I don't even know if they have their license. Probably not. Probably not. did damage to the quarter panel, so